Want something? Asshole. When you fucking go halfway down the fucking street and you're looking at me instead of the fucking road, something's wrong with you there, bitch. What are you wearing no mohawk for? That's not Filipino. That's what gets me the fucking most. Fucking, how many Filipinos are walking around nowadays with fucking mohawks? I like. And fucking missed his stroke. Just sat there and kept on fucking working. I don't even think they pay attention to it. As much burning as they do. It's like that fucking truck driver that showed up. He ended up fucking spending more time looking at me when he pulled up on that motorcycle than he did fucking paying attention to his driving.